Good morning, everybody. Sorry, I still look like crap because I left my mascara on last night and yeah, it just rubs off. But I had to take a melatonin last night. It helped. I fell asleep right away. Charlotte slept all night long. Awesome. But today is a day where I am going to get some videos done. I'm going to start working on my rhinestone video. I'm going to start working on my PVC video I want to do. What's the matter? She's having a fit because she wants to get on the couch, and now she's crawling off the couch. But yeah, so I want to start working on the PVC video today. I want to start working on the rhinestone video. I might work on, I might have to order some more jewels, but I'm probably going to wait to see what's going on. But there's, I want to do a Starbucks cup actually. So I'm trying to figure that out, but it'll be fun. It'll be fun. My place is like, you guys, like, when I say it's a mess, it's not even that bad. Like, compared when I started doing these vlogs, my house has not been like that since then. It's mostly just like little things, and the person who's doing it is Charlotte. She like loves digging into things and getting into stuff, so like she digs in my purse constantly and takes out everything. Her favorite thing is credit cards. So now, you know, Graham put that hook up, so now I have a place to put my purse. And so she just likes to dig in everything. I still need to work on my summer wreath. I have been kind of slacking on that, so I'm gonna work on that definitely today. And then I gotta call my friend Jennifer. I have like 3 Jennifers. Well, I have 2 main ones that are named Jenny or Jennifer, but I call her Jennifer, but she prefers Jen, was what everybody calls her. And then my other friend Jennifer, she's my best friend, everybody calls her Jenny. So yeah, it's confusing, but that is totally fine. So I'm gonna call her today because we're going to do a play date. Either we could do it today, or we might do it tomorrow or Friday. I have no idea. I gotta see what her schedule is like, so that'll be fun to do. But yeah, so yeah, I was saying, is like, my place isn't that bad. It's just little things. So I'm gonna try to pick up a lot. I think I'm gonna start selling. I'm gonna sell this thing. Charlotte uses it, but now she's just like kind of bored with it, and we don't put her in it as much, and it's just a waste of space. So I think I'm gonna post that for sale. I'm just gonna wipe it off. It's already clean, but I'm just gonna wipe off a little bit and get that sold. But that is how my day is, you guys. I'm pretty excited. I gotta figure out what other videos I want to do. Today's the 23rd or the 24th. I don't remember. Oh, I gotta work on my Walgreens video today. I gotta do coupons. We also are gonna go to the library, but I'm not gonna go inside. We have 2 books that I put on hold like a couple weeks ago. So those books are ready to pick up. So I'm gonna call them and see if I can pick them up. They are letting people in, but they prefer if people make appointments, which I don't need to go inside right now. So I plan on just walking in and getting those 2 books and then walking out. I'm gonna drop some movies off and then drop off the books that we already have. I'm just gonna read some more books to Ben. He's been really into reading more books, so I'm looking forward to that. So today is a day where I'm just gonna get organized, and that's how it is. I'm gonna, you know, do my average cleaning that I do, emptying the dishwasher, loading the dishwasher, cleaning the kitchen. My table's actually been pretty clean lately. I just have my crafting stuff on there, which some of that stuff I gotta bring downstairs, but I really want to start organizing the basement some, but we will see how that goes. But I will catch you guys back in a little bit.
There's a deer like right there, and he's just been sitting there. I can't zoom in without it going blurry, but you can kind of see him right there. But he's running. He's got his antlers growing, so that means he's a guy, and he disappeared. I don't know if I see any more deer. I love it. I love it when I can see the deer in the backyard.
Okay, you guys, so it is 1:03. I got the books. We're gonna go to the library, drop them off. They said I didn't need to make an appointment. I could just go in and get my stuff, so we're gonna do that. I also, sorry, I like whited out. I also have the Burger King app, and they actually have free kids meals with any purchase of $1 or more. So I'm getting Ben a kids meal for free. I ordered a value meal with a drink, fries, and a double cheeseburger for $3. And then I'm getting an 8-piece nugget for $1. So I'm spending $4, you guys, for lunch. And I'm pretty excited. It's the first time I've used the Burger King app. A lot of you guys have mentioned the Burger King app before. So I'm going to go ahead and try it. I'm pretty excited to do that, but I need to make a video of how I get free food because it does, money adds up. So I will catch you guys back. So it is now 1:54. We just got back home. Kids are eating their lunch right now at the table. Yeah, there was a protest last night. If you guys know, I live near Madison, Wisconsin, and they have some statues that are near our state capitol, and the protesters yesterday tore them down and threw them in the middle of the streets. They started. What?
We got a toy for Burger King, and then what? And then there's a thing where Play-Doh.
So Ben's kids meal that we got for free was Play-Doh. It's like the Crayola brand, but it's Play-Doh. So he's been playing with that at the table. So they think it's cool.
And stop eating.
Yep. So yeah, so last night they ended up, you know, breaking some statues off. They also tried breaking in the state capitol, but they couldn't get in. I think they graffitied it. They did tackle a senator. I don't know what he was doing, but they attacked him. There was another guy trying to go pick up his girlfriend at the hospital, from what I just read, and he apparently he was on the street with where the protesters were, and they started smashing his windows, beat him up, took his phone, took his wallet. I don't know what condition he's in. I'm just not reading it, but it's ridiculous. And then I just saw another post that somebody lit something on fire, broke the windows, and then threw it in the 911 area. So people
and then we have the other building, new capitol.
Yeah. So the building where people, like, you know, that people work, where people call 911 and the dispatchers, where those people work, it looks like somebody threw something in the window. But this is getting ridiculous. It's beyond even protesting. Some of these people are just doing it because they can get away with it.
Was that bomb they fall in it?
I don't know what it was, honey.
The bomb, like a super bomb?
It could have been some kind of bomb. I don't know what it was.
I think it was a big bomb, or it was like a
Well, you read the news and you can tell me, okay?
I don't have a bomb.
Okay. So that's what's going on right now in this area. Like, it is so depressing, you guys. Like, I don't even watch the news. I haven't watched the news in months. But I follow the news on social media just because I like to know what happens. But it's just ridiculous. It's like it's starting all over again. But I think these people are just doing this because they know they can get away with it. But something's got to happen. It's just not safe to, like, go out in the world because of the virus. And then it's just not safe to go downtown, which there's a ton of things to do downtown because of everything that's going on. I mean, protesters are taking barricades and locking or blocking roads, even though they don't need to. They just take all the construction that they find lying around and they just block the roads with whatever they can. So it's getting ridiculous, you know. I'm all for, you know, protesting. I'm totally for that, but violence is not going to solve anything. Breaking things is not going to solve anything, and that's what's really making me mad. Like, I've had it. Like, this area is a very political area. Madison's very political, and it's just crazy, you guys. It's so crazy. So that's what's going on right now. So I'm like, that's why I'm just, you know, don't want to do anything, because this is so depressing in this world with everything that's going on. I mean, I'm happy that I'm here with my kids and I don't have to work anymore, but I mean, you know, I'm still barely getting by with my YouTube. So, you know, I'm trying. But what we're gonna do right now is I'm gonna get some pieces of paper and I'm gonna start drawing something up for what I'm gonna make with my PVC pipe that I already have. And then I'm going to draw something up for Ben, because Ben wants to actually have me make him a PVC tent. I talked to Grandma about it. He is approved with it. So it's something super easy to put away when we're done playing with it. So that's what's going on. I'm going to just get some paper and draw some up. I haven't done the rhinestone video, you guys. Like, I want to, but I'm going to try to do it when she sleeps. I just can't do it because she always gets really crazy. Like, that's her noise right there. So we'll catch you guys back. So you guys, it is now 7 o'clock. Yeah, I'm having a stressful day. I told Ben I was coming upstairs to go to the bathroom because he follows me everywhere I go. and they're coming upstairs and I locked the door. I just need some me time. But Ben is driving me nuts, you guys. Like,
Mom.
I will, just give me a second.
Who are you talking to?
I'm talking to my camera.
I'm glad.
Okay. Yeah, he's just driving me nuts. And Graham's parents said they wanted to take him tomorrow to go play. And I said no. I said yes yesterday. And the way he's been acting, and he's going through like this stage how he was when Charlotte came home from the hospital. You guys, he was super naughty. But lately, he just does not want to help. He refuses. He'll pick up like one thing, and then he's like, I'm too tired. Or he was like, I'm only going to pick up 5 things. We're like, no, I'm not having it anymore. And today, I just went crazy. I threw about 30 toys away. I just threw them in the garbage. I don't care. They're like little things here and there. I don't care. Threw some Hot Wheels. Don't care. I'm beyond caring right now. But he, you know, started crying to me saying, you know, I want to see Grandma and Grandpa. And I said, no, I've had it. I've had it with his attitude. I've had it how he treats me. He's just been in this, like, mood lately. And it's just been driving me nuts. And, like, disciplining him, sending him to his room, timeouts, doesn't faze him a bit. Nothing. And, you know, I told Graham's parents, I says, no. And they're like, well, you should give him a chance. You know, let him hang out with us. You need your break from him. I'm like, yes, I do need a break from him, but I don't think I should reward him with the behavior that he's been giving me, you guys. Like, you guys don't know. I called my friend Jennifer today, and I was just crying because I'm so stressed out with Ben. Charlotte doesn't bother me whatsoever, but Ben, he is everywhere I go. I cannot be by myself for more than 5 minutes. Like, he's still trying to get in the door. He's going to go try to find a key to get in the room. But I just want to be alone without Ben. And it's like, yeah, I understand Graham's parents will take him away, but why the heck should I let him go have fun and get rewarded because they'll go buy him lunch and he'll get to go play at a park when he's been such a little brat to me lately. And it's just like, I'm not giving him a chance. He's had several chances. But they think he is such an angel. And he's not. He is not, you guys. Like, he has ADD. I know he probably has ADHD. He's also bored out of his mind. He has nobody to play with right now because of the virus. I mean, we've done a couple play dates, but it's like I can't constantly keep doing play dates. He wants to call everybody, you know, FaceTime, but not everybody wants to FaceTime with him because he can't sit still. He sits there and like drops the phone and runs away and all this stuff. So I called my friend Jennifer, and she has 2 little boys that we play all the time with. And I'm having her come over on Friday to help me, and hopefully he's got his, you know, he's got his act put together because otherwise they will not come over. But she's like, you know, if you want me to take Ben for a couple hours, I totally would. And I'm like, I understand that, but I'm just so stressed out at how he's been treating me lately. And discipline just doesn't do anything. He just won't. I'm so sick of this. I need a break. My mom said she would even take him for a week. Which she actually, if I wanted her to, she would. But Graham's parents keep telling Ben, oh, you're going to spend the night when this virus ends. How would you like to spend the night? Well, guess what? This virus won't be ending anytime soon. They wear masks when they hang out with us. You know, they want to take him and they want him to wear a mask the whole time he's in the car with them. He's not going to wear a mask while he's sitting in the car with them. I mean, I understand they're at that age where, you know, worse things could happen, but I don't know. I don't know, you guys. I'm just stressing out. I need a break from Ben. I need a break from Ben. And I need it more than, like, just a couple hours. Leave me alone, Ben. No, you can look outside in the other windows. You don't need to come in my bedroom. There's no monsters in the house.
Open the door.
No, leave me alone. You don't need to talk to the camera.
Yes, I do. Show them something.
No, you don't have to show them anything.
Yes, I do. Show me Hot Wheels.
They don't need to see your Hot Wheels.
They do.
They don't want to see your Hot Wheels. So that is what I'm going through all the time. He will not give me 5 minutes to myself. I can't go to the bathroom by myself. I can't go in the basement and look for something by myself. Like, he follows me everywhere I go. So it is 7 o'clock. Then go to the bathroom. We have 2 other bathrooms in this house. There's 2 other bathrooms in this house.
I want to go in this one.
You don't need to go in my bathroom. So that's how my day is going, you guys. Like, it's him, and with everything going in the world, that's just depressing me. So that's what I'm gonna do. I want to jewel, but I can't because I want to do a video for 1 cup, and I can't finish the other cup because I'm waiting for the jewels to come. I could start a totally different cup, which I could do. I could do that. So that's how my life's going on right now, but I will catch you guys back in a bit. I just need to go do something.
Hey guys, so it's 9 o'clock on the dot. I am beyond stressed out right now. I vacuumed the floor, and Ben just thinks, you know, the garbage is, he can just throw it everywhere. I've had it, you know, he learns that because Graham doesn't throw garbage away. He thinks he can just leave his cup and plate wherever he thinks because Graham just lets it sit there. I'm like so stressed out, you guys, right now. My friend said she would take Ben if I had to for a couple hours just so I could have some alone time, but I'm not, it's not that. It's just I need this kid to go away from me for a while. So Graham's parents, you know, they're like, well, let us know about next week. Well, guess what? I'm probably not going to let him hang out with his grandparents for a long time because that's the people he looks forward to seeing the most. Then why the heck should I let him do stuff? Because I don't get to do fun. I never get to have fun. I'm constantly picking up after him. So we'll see when he will see his grandparents again, and I'm stepping my foot down because this place is not messed up, but just things get shoved under stuff. Like, you know, I can see the main floor is completely clean, but you got stuff shoved under the couch, under the thing, just shoved everywhere. Yeah. So I didn't get to craft at all today because, you know, I've been constantly being Ben's servant, you know. I'm just so stressed out. I really wish Graham's parents were so freaking paranoid over this stupid virus. My mom lives 2 hours away. Ben still can't, like, spend the night at a friend's house because he wakes up sometimes having a night terror and he's just not ready to spend the night at somebody's house because nobody can handle him. I'm just stressed out and I hate it. So that's how my night's going. Charlotte, she was eating earlier today. She was done eating. I asked her if she was done and she said, yeah, that was awesome. That was like awesome. I don't know when you'll see Grandma and Grandpa. Now he cries to me like he does. This is what he does. He just runs to me crying. So I will see you guys all tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow's a better day because I'm beyond stressed out.
Okay.